Welcome to this special report on a significant ruling from the Kerala High Court concerning the securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of Security Interest Act, commonly known as SARFAESI. This ruling specifically addresses the pre-deposit requirement under Section 17 of the SARFAESI Act, a crucial aspect for borrowers challenging actions taken by financial institutions. The SARFAESI Act empowers banks and financial institutions to recover non-performing assets without court intervention, but it also provides avenues for borrowers to appeal these actions. A key provision for such appeals is the mandatory pre-deposit, which requires borrowers to deposit a percentage of the debt before their appeal can be heard by the Debt Recovery Tribunal. In the case before the Kerala High Court, the petitioner, a borrower, challenged the pre-deposit amount mandated by the Debt Recovery Tribunal. The petitioner argued that the tribunal had not adequately considered their financial hardship and the specific circumstances of their case when determining the pre-deposit. They contended that a rigid application of the pre-deposit rule could effectively deny justice to genuine cases of financial distress, hindering their right to appeal. The respondent, representing the financial institution, maintained that the pre-deposit provision is essential to prevent frivolous appeals and ensure the timely recovery of public funds. They highlighted the legislative intent behind the SARFAESI Act, which aims to expedite the resolution of non-performing assets and strengthen the financial sector. The Kerala High Court meticulously examined the scope of judicial discretion available to the Debt Recovery Tribunal under Section 18 of the Act. The court emphasized that while the pre-deposit is mandatory, the tribunal possesses the discretion to determine the exact percentage, up to 50%, based on the facts of each case. It clarified that this discretion is not absolute but must be exercised judiciously, considering both the borrower's capacity to pay and the merits of their appeal. The court also delved into the subject matter of the appeal, noting that the pre-deposit amount should be proportionate to the actual debt under dispute, not necessarily the entire outstanding amount. This distinction is crucial, as it prevents undue burden on borrowers who may only be disputing a portion of the total debt claimed by the financial institution. Ultimately, the Kerala High Court modified the pre-deposit amount for the petitioner, reducing it to a more manageable sum after a thorough review of the case specifics. This verdict underscores the judiciary's role in balancing the interests of financial institutions in recovering debts with the rights of borrowers to a fair hearing. The ruling serves as an important precedent, guiding debt recovery tribunals in exercising their discretion regarding pre-deposit requirements under the SARFAESI Act. It reinforces the principle that while legal provisions must be upheld, their application should always consider the unique circumstances of each case to ensure equitable justice.